And what about triggering the bunch of cameras I have on the table? I'm still using 6 SL1s, 1 R100 and 1 T7. I still want to use mirror lockup on the SL1s, but I want to trigger everything in a single click. So what I do, and now it's all automated, what I'm doing is I simply press and hold the trigger button and look at the cameras when I press. So all of the SL1s went in mirror lockup, and the two other cameras, they are in half-press mode, so they are ready to shoot. So as soon as I release, they're ready to shoot. I had a countdown, okay, but still it's gonna be in sync. So I'm going to remove the countdown for a better demo of this. So I remove the countdown from this icon here, and I go to 0, dashboard, and again I'm going to press and hold, and then I release. All cameras triggered at the same time, more or less. Of course, it's more precise when you're using a single model, but it's close enough and it's decent for sacrifice for the flash. It's working well. So that's great. In some cases, depending on the wireless trigger you're using, you might not have access to hold the button, or it might be glitchy. So there's another way to do this, and it's exactly where you set up the trigger countdown, timing settings, and you're gonna click on 2-click trigger. And from here, we see 2 lightning bolts now. And if I just press once, now the cameras are warming up. They are ready to shoot. As soon as I click, they are going to trigger all at the same time. Again, the 6 SL1s are currently in mirror lockup. The other ones are in half press. Boom. And it's very dark, so let's change the ISO on all cameras. You're going to see the live view of the R100 change right away. Boom. So now I'm at ISO 12,800 on all cameras. I'm gonna take another shot. It's gonna be super bright, but just for the demo. And there we go. So we have the 6 SL1s are pointing at the window, so it's very bright, and the 2 other ones are, the 2 small ones are just looking at the rig for no reason, because it's super messy. But the point here is just to show you guys how I trigger a bunch of different models using a single button. Boom.